Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about inheritance in Python. Let's start our class. Inheritance. Inheritance is a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming that allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class. The primary purpose of inheritance is to enable code reuse and create a hierarchical relationship between classes. Key concepts of inheritance in Python. Base class. The class whose properties and methods are inherited by another class. It is also known as the superclass. Derived class. The class that inherits from the base class. It can also have its own additional properties and methods, or it can be override methods of the base class. Single inheritance. A derived class inherits from a single base class. Multiple inheritance. A derived class inherits from more than one base class. Method overriding. A derived class can provide a specific implementation of a method that is already defined in its base class. Let us see a Python programming demonstrating inheritance.